storm. That's the same strength that devastated some Caribbean islands and killed at least 24 people. CNN's Leila Santiago has just landed in Antigua. Leila, you were in Barbuda just a little while ago, an hour or so ago. Tell our viewers what you saw.
You know, Wolf, as we were flying in, we certainly saw devastation. We're going to show you aerials that we captured while we were coming into this once Caribbean tropical island surrounded by turquoise water. And then when you get on the ground, you not only see the devastation, you feel the desperation of the people there, people who are trying to still get out at this hour, actually, many of them evacuating to where we are right now in Antigua. You know, as we talked to the last few people still on the island of Barbuda, and we were asking them to just describe what Irma was like, one man described it like a lion roaring. Another person said it was a monster. And so now the question is, what will Jose do? What will Hurricane Jose do to that island and the people who have already lost so much? Most people left Barbuda with just one bag because their things were destroyed. Their homes were on the ground. Their lives just kind of scattered out onto the roads. If you could tell that some of them were roads, some of them were flooded. So, you know, when you see it, it is pure devastation. And this is among people who will tell you, we are used to hurricanes, but we have never seen anything like this. And when I asked them, what do you tell someone right now in Irma's path, everyone immediately said, get out. Get out now. They have certainly felt the wrath of Irma and are waiting to see what Jose will bring. Yeah,
Jose is the other hurricane that's moving apparently right towards Barbuda right now. The last thing they need, another hurricane as they try to do at least some recovery. Leila, good work. Thank you so much for reporting that. Those images are so stark, and a clear warning to all the folks in Florida as well. If you haven't evacuated, you still have a little time. Do it now.